So I'm gonna make a concoction here that will basically lower the inflammation in your body, regulate you, lower your cholesterol, lower your triglycerides, eliminate cardiovascular issues. Hi, it's Dr. Dabbs here with Dabbs Chiropractic and Physical Therapy, Rehab Center, Maryland and Columbia. And what we're gonna talk about today is what can you do to make yourself feel better starting at the start of the day. It's kind of like a smoothie, but it has different ingredients. If you want to add more fruits and vegetables to it, you can, but this is what the basis is. You take a lemon and you squeeze it right here, like this. The minerals in it make your body alkaline. And an alkaline body doesn't rust. An acid body rusts. An alkaline body doesn't. So an acid body is one that eats a lot of meat, chicken, beef, pork, bread, cheese, all those things. So this will make your body alkaline. It's a good way of cheating it if you do eat those to make your body more alkaline. Then you take chia seeds. These are full of nutritious value. You take a tablespoon, put it inside. Then you add a cup or two of hot water and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon regulates your blood sugar like crazy. So this is a great way to do it. In fact, cinnamon and lemon juice and hot water at nighttime before you go to bed will eliminate a lot of sugar issues. This is for the morning time though. So I'm gonna put this all together in my little blender. You can use a Vitamix or a bullet. Put it in here and you mix it up. And now I have my drink. And this is gonna start your day off super healthy and super uninflamed, just feeling good, lots of energy, and your sugar level is gonna be normal. Triglycerides and cholesterol hopefully will slide down within a week. So you're gonna notice a lot of stuff within a week or two just by drinking this every morning. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Any questions, we'll be glad to answer you. If you want to come in for a consult, just call our office because we take free consults and we can go over what's going on with you because we treat a lot of different diseases, autoimmune and other diseases, cardiovascular. And there's great ways to eliminate a lot of the symptoms and even eliminate the disease itself by doing specific ways of eating concoctions like this, herbs, vitamins, things like that. That's what we're all about. We can help you. So don't hesitate to give us a call.